Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT Fit PYQs. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2019. The question is Sita and Geeta go for a swim after a gap of every 2 days and every 3 days respectively. Right? If on 1st January both of them went for a swim together, when will they go together next? When will they go together next? See, Sita Sita and Geeta. Right? Sita and Geeta go for a swim after a gap of every 2 days. So Sita goes after a gap of every 2 days and Geeta goes after a gap of every 3 days. And on 1st January both of them went. So 1st Jan, right? So 1st Jan both of them went together. So Sita also went swimming and Geeta also went for swimming on 1st Jan. Right? Then Sita goes after a gap of every 2 days. So 2 days she doesn't go. So on 2nd Jan and on 3rd Jan she doesn't go. Right? On 4th Jan she goes. Right? And 5th, 6th she doesn't go after a gap of every 2 days. So every 2 days she doesn't go and after a gap of 2 days she goes. Then 8th and 9th she doesn't go. Right? And after a gap of 2 days she goes. So on 10th she goes. 11th, 12th she doesn't go. Right? On 13th she goes. Right? So sorry. 13th she goes. Right? And 14 she doesn't go. 15 she doesn't go. Right? On 16th she will be going. Now Geeta goes after every 3 days. Right? Every 3 days. So she doesn't go on 3 days and then on 5th she will be going. Doesn't go on 3 days and on 9th she will be going. Doesn't go on 3 days and after 3rd day she will be going. Right? 3 days and 16th ko bhi she doesn't go. So question is by on Jan 1st both of them went together for a swim together. So 1st Jan ko they went together and next they will be going on 13th of Jan. 13th of Jan both of them together they went for swim. So answer is option D. Right? Option D. See, this is question based on LCM and HCF topic. Right? So अब देखो LCM में हम क्या करते हैं? Generally we take LCM of LCM of 2 and 3 ले लेते हैं. See, LCM of 2 days and 3 days. So LCM of 2 comma 3. So that will be 2 into 3 is the LCM. So that is 6 is the LCM. So we would have marked after 6 days they will be going. So answer 7 hota. But either that thing is here we don't take LCM of 2 and 3, but we will take LCM of 3 comma 4 because see Sita and Geeta go for a swim after a gap of every 2 days and every 3 days. After a gap, that means they go on every 3rd day and every 4th day. Right? 3rd day and 4th day. So not like goes. See, Sita and goes for a swim every मान ले अगर इधर instead of after a gap goes for a swim every second day and every 3rd day दिया होता हम 2 and 3 को लेके एलसीएम करके वो आंसर 7 हो जाता. बट हियर दे गो आफ्टर ए गैप ऑफ every 2 days. So that means we'll take they will be going on 3rd day and every 4th day. So we'll be taking LCM of 3 comma 4. So 3 comma 4 LCM is 3 into 4, that is 12. So after 12, so if they went on 2nd January, right, they will be going on after a gap of 12 days, right, or on the 12th day they will be going. So we will be getting answer on 13th Jan as the answer, right? 13th Jan, right? So okay, ये सिंपल है. सो दिस इज लाइक इजी क्वेश्चन. ऐसा मल्टीपल नंबर भी ऐसा नहीं दिया. मान ले अगर आफ्टर ए गैप ऑफ एवरी 7 days दिया होता एंड आफ्टर ए गैप ऑफ एवरी 8 days दिया होता देन ऐसा करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता. सो तब हमें भाई 8th day एंड 9th day करके उनका एलसीएम लेके 8 into 9 is 72. So that is after 72 days they will be going, right? इधर तो भाई 13 days का गैप है तो हम easily we can do this and we can solve, right? नहीं तो हमें we need to go for LCM based solving of this question, right? So that is the thing, right? I hope you understand. See, this is question based on LCM and HCF. Every year UPSC is asking question based on similar nature, right? We have solved all these questions and you can watch those videos also.